Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, and today in this BandLab tutorial we're going to discover the importance of this little magnet icon to synchronize your loops so that they all play together in perfect time. So here's a couple of loops I've just put in. One is a beat and the other is a percussion. Now they look perfect together, they look like they're 4 bars long and it's in perfect timing. But if you listen, it's completely out. This has happened because 2 samples aren't in fact starting at the same point. To see this clearly, we're going to zoom in. And now you can see that this first one, the blast backbeat, is exactly on bar 1. But the jade percussion is slightly out. It's got a gap here, and consequently the whole timing of the rhythm sounds wrong. Now it's very easy, of course, to put this in perfect timing by just sliding this sample back to bar 1 so they start together. Let's just move it again. And you can see I could stop it anywhere here and it would sound wrong. If we go to here, here's the magnet, and a magnet divides the bars into lines, and this is very finely divided at the moment, and consequently it's difficult sometimes to get it dead on the bar line. So if we take the 1.2 bar line here and try and get it exactly on, you can see it just finely magnetizes together at the end there, but it could be as simple as that and we're out again. Now to change that, we go to Smart here, click on it, and we can see various options. And what this does, it divides the bar line into different values. For example, if I click on 1/4, it will divide 1 bar into quarters. And if I try to move the jade percussion anywhere in between, I can't. It just magnetizes and clicks into time. If I try and move it slightly, I can't. It defaults to the next quarter beat. Even though that doesn't start at the beginning, it's still in time, and you can get very creative with ideas like that. If we go to 1/8, you can see now 1 bar is divided into 8 sections, and now we could start on any one of those 8s, as it were. And again, this is sounding really interesting, really creative, because it just adds an extra rhythm. We quite like that, but this is a little bit more unusual. If we go to 1/16, then 1 bar is divided into 16 segments, allowing us to put it anywhere on a 16th segment. Once again, it's still okay because it works. It sounds good. However, if we go to 132, this is when problems arise. The magnet defaults to 132, and my recommendation would be to change this to either 1/16 or 1/8 when you're aligning new samples. So if I get another loop, let's add a bass. This is 1/8, so 1 bar is divided into 8 segments. And then it's very easy to get it exactly starting on the first beat of the bar. perfect time. If we go back just to make the point 132, which means that each bar is divided into 32 segments, we can really go out of time. A quick example would be this. Very easy to do, especially if you're just starting off in BandLab. I'd love to hear how you've used the different values to position loops in creative ways. Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss another tutorial, and like the video if you thought it was useful. Till the next time, happy music making!